Here is another question. It contains 2 statements and 4 conclusions. Let's first draw the Venn diagram. I will start with statement all. All trains are buses. Trains circle should be inner. Buses circle should be outside. And some buses are cars. Some buses are cars. We are done with Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is some cars are buses. We know that if the statement is some buses are cars, we can say that some cars are buses. For that we don't need Venn diagram. This conclusion is true. And as I said earlier, if the statements does not contain negative statements, then negative conclusion will not be there. But here it contains a negative conclusion because it contains no. We can say that this is wrong. And here also we can see negative conclusion. So this is also wrong. Here also I can see not. So this is a negative conclusion. Because the statement does not contain any negative statement, conclusion will never be a negative. In this case, we did not use Venn diagram. Here is the next question. It contains 2 statements and 2 conclusions. Let us draw the Venn diagram first. I will start with statement which contains all. All cats are mats. Cat should be inner circle. Mat should be outer circle. And some mats are rats. Some mats are rats. We are done with Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is some rats are mats. If the statement says some mats are rats, we know that we can say some rats are mats. First conclusion is true. We don't need to see Venn diagram for that. And next conclusion is all mats are rats. This is a definite statement. We need to disprove this conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, if we prove some mats are not rats, then we cannot say all mats are rats. Let's try to prove that some mats are not rats. In this Venn diagram, these are all mats and these are all rats. We can see these mats are not rats. Only these are mats and rats. But these mats are not rats. So from this Venn diagram I could prove that some mats are not rats. So we cannot say that all mats are rats. This conclusion is wrong. Here is another question. It contains 2 statements and 2 conclusions. Let us draw the Venn diagram first. I will start with statement all. All clocks are walls. Clocks circle should be inside and wall circle should be outside. Walls I am representing with WL. Next statement is some watches are clocks. Some watches are clocks. Let's move on to conclusions. Some walls are watches. This is a definite conclusion. It should be true in all possible Venn diagrams. To disprove this conclusion, if we can prove no wall is watch, then we cannot say some walls are watches. To prove no wall is watch, we need to separate wall circle and watch circle. Wall circle is this one and watch circle is this one. We need to separate these two. Let's draw that. Clock circle and wall and watch. I have separated wall circle and watch circle. Let's see whether we are following statements or not. Some watches are clocks. Here we are not following the statements because these 2 circles are not intersecting. This is violating statements. If we follow statements, if these 2 circles always intersect, then it also intersects outer circle. It means some walls are watches. Because I could not prove no wall is a watch, saying some walls are watches is true. Next conclusion is some walls are clocks. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that no wall is clock. For that, I need to separate clock circle and wall circle. But as per the statement, all clocks are walls. So clock circle always should be inside wall circle. Because I am not able to prove no wall is a clock, saying some walls are clocks is true. Here is another question. It contains 2 statements and 3 conclusions. Let us draw the Venn diagram first. First statement is all birds are bats. All birds are bats and some bats are ducks. Some bats are ducks. We are done with Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. Some bats are birds. If the statement is all birds are bats, we already know that saying some bats are birds is true. We don't see Venn diagram for this. And next conclusion is no bats are birds. This is a definite conclusion because it does not contain possibility and it does not contain can be. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that some bats are birds. And here you can see if these are all bats and these bats are birds. Because I could prove some bats are birds, we cannot say that no bats are birds. This is wrong. Next conclusion is some birds are ducks. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that no bird is duck. If we can prove that no bird is a duck, this sentence will automatically be wrong. Let's prove no bird is a duck. In our Venn diagram, these are all ducks and these are all birds. From this we can say that no bird is a duck. Because we could prove no bird is duck, saying some birds are ducks is wrong. Here is another question. It has 2 statements and 4 conclusions. Let's draw the Venn diagram first. Not all plants are trees. Not all plants are trees means some plants are trees and some plants are not trees. Some plants are trees. Some plants are trees and some plants are not trees. Both are correct. Some leaves are green. This is leaves and this is green. We are done with the Venn diagram. Let's move on to conclusions. First conclusion is no plants are leaves. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that some plants are leaves. To prove some plants are leaves, we need to intersect plant circle and leaf circle. Let's do that. I have drawn Venn diagram like this. Let's see whether we are following statements or not. First statement says not all plants are trees. Yes, some plants are trees and some plants are not trees. First statement we are following. Some leaves are green. Yes, some leaves are green. We are following statements. Now let us see whether we could prove some plants are leaves or not. If these are all plants, you can see some plants are leaves. Because I could prove some plants are leaves, saying no plants are leaves is wrong. First conclusion is wrong. Now I will move on to second conclusion. No leaves are trees. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that some leaves are trees. Leaves circle is this and tree circle is this. We need to intersect these two. I have drawn Venn diagram by making these two intersecting, trees and leaves. Let's see whether we are following statements or not. First statement is not all plants are trees. Yes, some plants are trees and some plants are not trees. That is following. And second statement is some leaves are green. Yes, some leaves are greens. We are following statements. Now our goal is to prove some leaves are trees. Yes, here we can see some leaves are trees. Because I could prove some leaves are trees, we cannot say that no leaves are trees. This is false. And moving on to next conclusion, some trees are plants. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that no tree is a plant. It means tree circle and plant circle we need to draw separately. Yeah, I have drawn Venn diagram. Let us see whether this Venn diagram is following statements or not. Not all plants are trees. It means some plants are trees and some plants are not trees. Here in this Venn diagram, it is not following first statement, because if we say some plants are trees, these two circles needs to be intersected, but these two are not intersecting. I cannot prove that no tree is a plant, because I could not prove no tree is a plant. Saying some trees are plants is true. Moving on to next conclusion, some leaves are trees. This is a definite conclusion. To disprove this conclusion, we need to prove that no leaf is a tree. If you see in our first Venn diagram, this Venn diagram is following statements. We have drawn this Venn diagram by following statements. In this, we can prove that no leaf is a tree, because these are all leaves and these are all trees. From this Venn diagram, we can say that no leaf is a tree. Because I could prove no leaves are trees, we can say that saying some leaves are trees is wrong.